What if there was a way for you to speak to your computer and it typed exactly what you said into your document? Well, there is a way. Come with me and I'll show you how. Open a new or existing document in the app or web version of Microsoft 365 Word. From the Home tab, over on the right-hand side, there is a button called Dictate. Click on the drop-down arrow and then click on Dictate. We're going to check the settings first. Click on the cog. Your default language is picked up from Microsoft 365 settings. You can change the language here by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Note that this will change the language only for your dictation. If you have a microphone plugged in, it will appear here. Otherwise, it would be your built-in microphone. Enable auto punctuation is toggled on by default, as well as filter sensitive phrases. Click Save to save any changes you have made. To begin the dictation, click on the Dictate button. As you begin to talk, the computer changes your speech to text. If you are wanting to include some commands, such as doing a bold, then you would complete your sentence and then go back and do the bold command. So the bold command is when you say the word bold and then you say the word that you want bolded. Bold command. Delete that. Delete that. You'll notice when I say delete that, it takes the entire sentence out. If I simply say delete, it will delete what is to the left of my cursor. Delete, delete, delete my cursor. New line, new line. Say your sentence and then pause. How are you today? Question mark. New line, new line. If you need to put something as a quote, say open quote, today is a beautiful day, full stop, close quote. Pause dictation. This will stop the computer changing speech to text. If you want to resume, simply say resume dictation. This has been a demonstration of speech to text. Hopefully it'll save you some time when you're typing your next document. Thank you for watching.